In this video, we are going to show you how to add auto captions in CapCut Mobile. Now, to do this, we need to have, of course, a clip. I have a blank clip here. I only have audio, right? So blacked out. So to create captions, all we need to do is on the bottom, the main menu, it's beside overlay. It says captions, right? So you want to tap on captions and this light up will appear. So generate from, it says video, that's automatic. Spoken language, it's going to automatically detect. And then you can just choose a template. You can go default or you can choose any single one of this. Now, do mind that the ones with the diamond on the upper right corner of it, it's going to be from Pro and beyond, right? So if you want the free ones, you can just choose, for example, this one, right? And then click on generate. And again, this is for Pro still. So click generate. Now it's generating. There we go. It's almost done. Now captions are generated. So I'm going to play it. Right? So as you can see, it's pretty much a mic test. So it is showing, and I'm reciting the alphabet here. So that is pretty much how you create auto captions on CapCut Mobile. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.